In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Canva video in high quality. If you've just finished designing a video in Canva and you want it to look sharp and professional when you share or upload it, the way you download it really matters. I'll walk you through the exact settings to choose and explain what each one does so you don't end up with a blurry or low quality export. Start by making sure your video design is open in Canva and that you're happy with everything in your project. Once you're ready to export, move your cursor to the top right corner of the Canva editor. There, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click Share. This is where Canva hides all the options related to exporting and publishing your work. After you click Share, a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Download. This tells Canva that you want to save a copy of your video file to your device instead of publishing it directly online. Next, you'll need to choose the right file type. This is very important for video quality. Look for the file type drop-down and from the list, select MP4 video. MP4 is the standard format for most users. It works well for social media platforms, presentations, and video editing software. It keeps a good balance between quality and file size, and it's widely supported everywhere. You might also see an option for GIF. GIFs are only suitable for very short animations with no sound, such as quick looping graphics or simple motion. They are not recommended for full videos, especially if you care about image clarity and audio. For complete video projects, always stick with MP4 video. Once MP4 video is selected, it's time to fine-tune the quality settings. Look for the Options button or a small gear icon next to the MP4 choice and click it. This opens the advanced settings for your video download. Inside these settings, find the video quality section. Change this to high. Setting it to high quality ensures your video looks crisp, with cleaner details and smoother motion, which is especially important for full screen playback or professional use. Finally, make sure you select all pages so Canva includes the entire video in the